Welcome to 5-Star Imports, and here's a look at one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with tire pressure monitoring system, trailer sway control, daytime running lights, and much more. Since 2013, family-owned 5-Star Imports has been providing our friends and neighbors with the best car buying experience. Our inventory is handpicked and unique. We specialize in Subarus, Wranglers, trucks, and other specialty rides. We work hard to provide you with a reliable pre-owned vehicle at the best price possible. So give us a call or come see us today at 5-Star Imports.